You love YouTube, right? You make cool videos, want to earn from it? Real money. This isn't some pipe dream, it's VidIQ. Their affiliate game is strong. Let's unlock your earnings. Now, time to get serious. VidIQ is the real deal. It helps creators win. Every single day, you share a tool that actually works. That's incredibly powerful. Authenticity sells. Authenticity wins. This program gets that. It's built for you, for real creators, people who understand the YouTube grind. This is a partnership. VidIQ wants you to grow. They give you incredible support. Together, you both win. Your complete roadmap starts right now. Let's go. No waiting. What is VidIQ, you ask? It's your ultimate YouTube edge, a super smart, powerful tool for every single creator. Want more views, more subs? Duh. VidIQ helps you get there, faster. It's your data-driven coach, always on, your secret weapon for channel growth. Seriously, it's how you level up. VidIQ has serious AI power, daily video ideas, fresh, relevant, and AI coach. Guiding your strategy, keyword research tools, the absolute best. Find those hidden gem keywords. See exactly what your competitors are doing. Get actionable insights, fast, so you can execute immediately. YouTube is tough. You absolutely need an advantage. VidIQ provides that crucial advantage. Data drives all your decisions now. Optimize everything. Understand your audience on a deeper level. You work smarter. Alright, let's talk cash. The VidIQ affiliate program pays you. You share their awesome tools, you earn. It's as simple as that. Someone signs up using your unique link, cha-ching, you get paid, and it's recurring. Listen to that word, recurring, passive income, for real hustle. VidIQ loves and rewards hustlers. More sales from you, more money for you. It's a tiered commission structure. Starts at a solid 15%, then it goes up to 20%, then a massive 25% for top performers. Recurring. Every single month they stay, your earnings can seriously explode. They give you every incentive to grow. But wait, there's even more. Cash is king. But top affiliates get extra perks. A free VidIQ boost plan, your own custom VidIQ URL, collaboration opportunities with the VidIQ team. Get featured on their huge channels. VidIQ supports you every step. You're in the VidIQ family. Your step-by-step playbook joining the VidIQ affiliate team? Ready to jump in and join? Awesome. It's super easy. No stress, no drama, no complicated forms. VidIQ made the sign-up process simple. They want you in their corner. Fast, like right now, fast, no delays. Let's do this. I'll walk you through, step by step. Watch how easy. You can do this in minutes. First things first. Head over to the VidIQ.com website. Look for the affiliates link. Easy find. Usually it's in the footer, or just Google VidIQ affiliate program. Click that link. You got this far. New to VidIQ? Sign up, quick. Already a user? Just log straight in. Done. Next step incoming. See? Simple. Okay, you're in your dashboard now. Look for the affiliate center, or it might say affiliate dashboard. Can't miss it. Click it, and boom, there it is. Your unique personal referral link. This is your money link. Section 5, crush it, promoting your VidIQ link like a boss. You're in. Link is ready, locked and loaded. Now for the fun part, promoting. Rule number 1, be real, be authentic. Authenticity is absolutely everything, always. Share your true, honest story. Used VidIQ yourself? Show it, prove it. People can smell fake a mile away. Real trust drives real action. This is crucial. Don't ever skip this. So how do you share that link? Make a review video, an honest one. Showcase your favorite features, the ones you love. Create a tutorial, something helpful, useful. Add your link everywhere you can in your YouTube video descriptions, on your channel's about page, in your pinned comments. Make it easy for people to click. Think bigger than just YouTube. Got a blog? Write an epic post. Share it on all your social media. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, wherever your audience actually hangs out. Got an email list? Use that asset.